Welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see here, I have the MacBook 2024 unboxing. I'm going to show you guys what's going on, what I picked up, and also look for, I do have a couple of videos in the works that will explain to you why I somewhat downgraded from a MacBook Pro M1 to this. Well, I don't want to call it a downgrade, but let's just say I made a switch from an M1 Pro to an M3 Air, and I got a video coming up real soon explaining my thinking process behind why I made such a move. But quickly, let's get to the unboxing. As you can see here, very nice, minimal, clean, nice, sturdy packaging from Apple. On the back, go ahead and get these tabs torn off. And let's take a quick look at what we got inside. As you can see, I got the MacBook Air in the midnight. Now, one thing about this, you do have to worry about, this is a fingerprint magnet, but I went with style and flash over the fact that this is a fingerprint magnet. But this is a nice looking computer. It has a very thin form factor, feels almost like a tablet. Does have a little bit of weight on it. In my personal opinion, I thought this would be a little bit more lighter than what it is that I'm feeling, but in comparison to a MacBook Pro, it is light. Nice thin form factor. Again, you don't get the ports of a Pro. As you can see, you just got the MagSafe connector and the two Thunderbolt ports on the side, and nothing on the side. You do have padded bottoms, so you shouldn't have any problems laying it on any type of surface. One thing I will miss is the ability to plug in an SD card from my cameras on the side, which was something I was able to do with my MacBook Pro. But I do have a hub that will pretty much take care of that. Real quick, let's take a look at what we have here. We do have a matching braided color connector. Now, this particular threaded cable it feels slightly thinner than the one that was on the MacBook Pro, and I wish this little tip right here was blue also. That would have been a nice little look. It don't make sense that the MagSafe part is blue and this is white, but very minor criticism. I did upgrade to the 90-watt charging brick, which has only one Type-C opening. The 35-watt one has a dual connector, Type-C connector on the bottom of it. But I really couldn't see myself doubling this connector up with anything else. So I went with the 90-watt one instead of the 35-watt one. And then also you get your instruction booklet and little forms. Let's see here if we have matching stickers. Yes, we do. Matching Apple stickers, which is, a minor little, accent, upgrade that Apple did. Thanks, because in the past they used to just give you plain white Apple stickers, and everybody's always asked, why don't you give the stickers to match the color of the MacBook? Thanks, Apple. We appreciate that. It's the little things that count. Again, like I said, I got the instruction booklets and what have you, and that's pretty much what you get. Let me see how strong the magnets is. Oh, it connects real nice. Oh, nice strong connection there. So, that's a 5 out of 5 with that connection. As you can see, I haven't really handled it too much, and you can see the fingerprint, so that will be a problem. going forward. But when you choose a color such as this, you're going to have those type of issues. Like that. And this display, man, is awesome. I mean, I can already tell the difference from I had a 14-inch MacBook Pro, and this 15-inch is way better. It's miles and miles better than the actual display that I had, as far as just overall real estate in comparison. But trackpad feels pretty nice. Let me see here. Just the keys, the clickiness of the keys is really nice. It's just pretty much going through the, general setup. It's asking for my Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and get that connected up. But I want to go ahead and get this set up, and I want to get back right into this video again and let you know some other information about what I think, the display itself and what have you. So give me a little bit. I want to get right back with you. So I'm in, got everything all set up, and I got most of my apps pretty much almost there. I got a few more to download, but I'm able to at least give you an idea of how the actual speakers sound, let you see the display itself, and pretty much give you an idea of, my general impressions. But off the top, I mean, there's really, I'm not going to sit up here and tell you that this display is better than the one on the Pro. I mean, I think right now I'm pretty much going through this point where I'm just trying to readjust to this display, and I really haven't calibrated everything up to my liking on as far as the brightness, the nits, and what have you. But just in general, the color reproduction on the Pro is better than what I'm seeing right now currently on the Air. But who's not to say with some adjustments that I can't get it close or even to the point where it's somewhat unnoticeable. But, just out of the box right now compared to how my Mac Pro was looking and how this is looking now, the Mac Pro color reproduction is far better. And the colors itself, like I said on the display, it's still somewhat similar. It's similarly reproduced, but it just seemed like a little cooler. But then again, that I had to chop that up to just first impressions out of the box. This is, I haven't really got everything set up the way I wanted to set up, but I do like the bigger display, which is going to be pretty much one of the main points of why I decided to pick this particular Mac Air up. Like I say, I do lose out on as far as portability on the sides, but I do gain in battery life and just the overall how it fits into my lifestyle, seeing that I do have a Mac Studio that pretty much does most of the heavy lifting, and I really kind of needed something that would be more in line with as a secondary device and not have two number one devices, if you kind of catch what I'm talking about. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let you hear the speakers. I'm about to play some music for you right quick and give you an idea of what the speakers sound like. All right, let me try some sounds here. So in my opinion, like a lot of the sounding from the speakers pretty much comes from the front part of it, and what it seems like to me is that it's sort of kind of the sound is reflecting up the display itself, so therefore it makes it seems like the music and the sounds is more in front of you, giving you that, you know, that feeling that you got more, you know, sound than what is actually there, which is good. It's like a cool design. Again, it does not compare to the Pro 1 as far as, because the speakers usually is on the sides of the keyboard, and that sound way more fuller, way more crisp of a sound when the speakers were there in comparison to how they're trying to do it with this. But it does it does check off the dots that it's not a poor sounding computer laptop as far as when it comes to sound. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not as full as the M1, but it's nice. So that pretty much does it for the this unboxing of the MacBook Air 15-inch. I'll be on the lookout for a couple more videos. Like I said, I want to have a review pretty much coming up real soon with this. Again, if you have any questions, leave that down below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I catch everybody in my next video. I'm out.